Okay, if you've been interested in getting the Denon home theater, it's currently on sale at Costco for $349 until the 25th. $349 is a pretty good price for this. I actually paid $399 a month ago, but because it's Costco, I got $50 back today. So if you're interested in the Denon AVR S750H, the 7.2 surround sound, Costco has it for $349.99. They also have the subwoofer here, Kia Cliss subwoofer for $199. I think that's on sale a lot, but it's a 400 watt subwoofer if you're looking for a subwoofer. That'll probably work good with that home theater.